Begin this hour in Enugu State, where the Governorship Election Petition Tribunal is currently delivering judgment in the application filed by candidate of the Labour Party Chijioke Edioga, challenging the declaration of Peter Mba as winner of the March 18th governorship election in the state. The court had earlier today dismissed the petition filed by the candidate of the People's Redemption Party, Christopher Agu, challenging the return of Peter Mba as governor. The court also dismissed the allegations of alleged NYC certificate forgery against Governor Mba for being incompetent. The tribunal also held that the petitioner erred in law to claim overvoting when none of his agents was on ground to sign the forms EC8A and thereby dismissed the three grounds sought by the petition.
There is need for the NBA, for all arms in the judiciary, to the bar benchers, and all to speak out on what is happening in the judiciary. Without judiciary is still the last hope of the common man. Now the destiny of the country hangs on them. This is either they fulfill it or they betray it.
A person shall be qualified for election into the office of the governor of a state if J, he has presented a fourth certificate to the Independent National Electoral Commission. By the clear provisions of the Constitution, it has become undoubtedly true that Mr. Peter Ndubisi Mba is not qualified to contest the election into the office of the governor of Enugu State for the presentation of a forged certificate from by NYC.
The issue of the certificate you are talking about, I don't want to talk much about it. They came to NYC for verification. We said this certificate is not issued from us.
We are aware, and the system is trying to refine itself because leaders have not even been good. Your leaders have not been good examples to you. Hence, we have things like falsifications, we have like election rigging, and so on and so forth. But we want you to know that something is right and something is wrong.
I am so shocked of words. Things fall apart, Chinua Achebe said, and the centers can no longer hold. In the words of William Wordsworth, in his poem, The World is Too Much With Us, the first stanza says, "The world is too much with us, late and soon. Getting and spending, we lay waste our powers. Little we see in nature that is ours. We have given our hearts away, a sordid boon." Was Buhari, the former president of Nigeria, right when he cried that the Nigerian judiciary was corrupt? He actually went a step ahead to invade some judges at night and filed charges. People cried wolf. They cried not because what he did was wrong, but they said the way and manner he went about it was wrong. Today, the frustration of those efforts are coming back to bite us in the back. What is right is not meant to be wrong, and what is wrong is meant to be right in Nigeria. Those who are supposed to protect the sanctity of Nigerian Constitution are the ones destroying it. Is that a case of darkness before the true dawn? Peter Obi said that the true Nigeria is possible, but not in this way, when those who are supposed to protect the common man are those destroying the very essence of existence of the common man. Festivity in black. When a child sells the father's land to buy a trumpet, on which land will he stand to blow the trumpet? Festivity in black. Festivity in black. Festivity in black.
Thanks for being with us in the arena. Like the famous American writer will always say, be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. It's Chris Diggers in Open Whispers. Thank you, and God bless.
Agreement.